Have you recently moved and are left pondering how to notify the IRS about your address change? Well, fear not, as today we're going to walk you through the necessary steps to ensure the IRS has your current address on file. Firstly, you can notify the IRS about your new address when you file your annual tax return. There's a spot right on the form to fill in your new address. Quite simple, right? But what if you already filed your taxes? Don't worry, you're not out of options. Step 2 involves filling out a special form known as Form 8822. This form is specifically designed for changes of address. Simply download it from the IRS website, fill it out, and mail it to the address listed on the form. Remember, accuracy is key when filling out this form. Thirdly, if forms aren't your thing, you can write a letter to the IRS stating your new address. Include your full name, old address, new address, and social security number or employer identification number. Make sure to sign the letter and send it to the IRS at their main address. Lastly, if you prefer the direct approach, you can call the IRS directly. Have your social security number or employer identification number handy, as well as your old address and the exact date of your move. To recap, there are 4 ways to notify the IRS of an address change: through your annual tax return, by filling out Form 8822, by writing a letter, or by calling the IRS directly. Remember, it's crucial to keep the IRS updated on any address changes to ensure you receive all the necessary tax documents and any potential refunds. So if you've recently moved, take a moment to update your address with the IRS. It's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of hassle in the future. And with that, you're now equipped with the knowledge of how to keep the IRS up to date with your whereabouts. Happy moving!